So, in this topic, today we are going to learn about time. Time means samay. So, what are the vocabulary related to time? Let's see with an example. So, number one, second. Second. In Hindi, second. Number two, noon. Noon. Noon का अर्थ होता है दोपहर 12 बजे. Number third, minute. Minute. In Hindi also we call it minute. Number four, week. In English, week, and week meaning in Hindi, week we call in Hindi as saptah या फिर हफ्ता. Number five, hour. In English, hour, and Hindi we call it घंटा. Number six, month, and Hindi महीना. Number seven, day. In Hindi, दिन. Number eight, year. In Hindi, वर्ष. Number nine, night. In Hindi, रात. Number 10, century. In Hindi we call century as शताब्दी. Number 11, morning. In Hindi we call morning as subah. Number 12, today. In Hindi we call आज. Number 13, evening. In Hindi, शाम. Number 14, tomorrow. In Hindi we call कल. आने वाला. Number 15, afternoon. In Hindi, तीसरा पहर. 16, yesterday. कल, बीता हुआ. So these all are the vocabulary related to time we have learnt.